Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update. Overnight, we got a nice bullish breakout. I bought some Bitcoin yesterday, I think around here, I believe, with this move. So this is a good move. But the thing is that overall, the markets obviously are still trending down. So yes, we are getting some bullish momentum, right? And we broke above 58,400, which is or was the main level we've been talking about for the last for the last couple of days at least, but I think for the last week already. So breaking above that is great. We also have a momentum accompanying that move. As you can see, we got some very big short positions being closed earlier this morning. Followed by a bit of a mixed bag of momentum. I mean, you can see the open interest, which I usually refer to as momentum. You can see open interest is moving up, but it's very much, if you look at the CVD right here, it's very much shorts and longs being opened. All right, so that's both bullish and bearish. Longs being opened obviously has a bearish side. Or has a bullish side, but also a bearish side, and shorts being opened has the same. So right now, I would say we still need more confirmation. All right, momentum is going up with a breakout. That's good to see. All right, and then yesterday, what we saw as well is that the dollar strength index so far, even after the testimony by Jerome Powell, has stayed technically bearish on the short term at least. So that's good to see as well. But the market overall is still relatively weak, all right, at least on the higher time frames, right? I mean, if you look at this, you need a lot of sustained bullish momentum to really get to really break this downtrend. Purely technically, I would say we need to break above 61 and 62,000, and at this point of time, that does not look most likely, all right? But we'll talk about that. In general, we are getting some big news tomorrow. With the inflation rate. Today we have another speech by Jerome Powell. I don't think it will matter much. If the testimony yesterday did not matter that much for the dollar strength index, I doubt that this will do anything, even though yesterday he did talk about some significant things. It just didn't really cause any moves. And then tomorrow we have the CPI, inflation rate, initial jobless claim. So tomorrow is going to be a big day. All right, tomorrow we're going to get a lot of movement. At least from the dollar strength index, and therefore also for Bitcoin. But we have to wait for that, all right? And then obviously we have to talk about the German government. I am not sure if they've sold anything today. They are sending some Bitcoin to different addresses. Can I please click this or not? So yeah, they have more and more Bitcoin in this address, which they are not, or at least as far as I can see, they're not sending that anywhere else at this point of time. They got back some from Kraken yesterday, so no major movements for today. But I also think, I mean, if you look at how much Bitcoin they still have, and you look at the market right now in terms of volume, but also in terms of strength, I would say I don't expect a very bearish movement because of those sells. All right, we could still be bearish here, and in general, the main thing to watch today is, all right, well, we broke above 58,400 and 58,000. Can we now hold that as support? All right, and due to the momentum, what we're seeing, and also a little bit based on feelings, I would say it's most likely we will be able to hold that and rally up higher towards, let's say, 60,500 right here at the very least. But we do have to hold that. And if for whatever reason we are still in a downtrend, right? So a bearish breakout and some sort of and this being some sort of a fake out is always possible. The most important thing is to look how we react to 58,400. If we get there and we gain momentum again, then that's bullish, and we will see a move like this at the very least, potentially a move like this. But if we drop down there and we don't gain momentum, and it just in general we don't gain any strong support from there, then we have to start thinking about something like this happening. But like I said, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I don't necessarily think that's most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.